Hello kids! How are you today? This is teacher Nico from Chalor School. So once again, welcome to another science class. And then our topic for this week was all about the gravitational force, okay? So this is our vocabulary words. So we have the downward, pull down, float, earth, more, less, mass, and weight. Again, downward, pull down, float, earth, more, less, mass, and weight. Now, can you spell downward? D-O-W-N-W-A-R-D. Downward. Next, pull down. Pulldown. Pull down. Next, float. 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 And next, earth. 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 Next, more. 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 Next, less. 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 Next, mass. Mass. And the last one, weight. Weighd. Weight. And that is all the vocabulary words. Again, repeat after me, please. Downward. Pull down. Float. Earth. More. Less, mass, and weight. So this time we are going to answer some exercises for the number 3 and number 4. For number 3, all we need to do is the following activities are affected by gravitational force. All we need to do is to complete the sentences below. Okay? So let us read the first sentences. We have water flows blank at waterfalls. So what do you think is the correct answer from the vocabulary words? That is a downward. Very good. So again, water flows downward at waterfalls. Very good. Next, the football will blank to the ground. So what do you think is the correct answer? That is pull down. Okay, the football will pull down to the ground. Next, astronauts blank around in space. So what do you think is the correct answer from the vocabulary words? We have a float. Very good. Next, a child is skiing blank on slope. So what do you think is the correct answer? That is also a downward. So a child is skiing downward on slope. So again, let us repeat all the sentences. Number 1, water flows downward at waterfalls. Number 2, the football will pull down to the ground. Number 3, astronauts float around in space. Next, a child is skiing downward on slope. And next, this one, choose the correct words. All you need to do is to underline the correct words. So let's start with letter A. On the moon, earth, an object with a mass of 1 kilogram will weigh 10 newtons. So what do you think is the correct answer? Is it moon or earth? That is an earth. Very good. Next, letter B. On earth, the mass of a man is 64 kilograms. His weight is 32 newtons or 640 newtons. What do you think is the correct answer? Alright, that is 640 newtons because 64 times 10 is 640 newtons. Okay, next, the less or more mass an object has, the harder it is to move. So what do you think is the correct answer? Alright, the more mass an object has, the harder it is to move. Very good. Next, the mass or weight of an object is the amount of matter in the object. What do you think is the correct answer? Alright, the mass of an object is the amount of matter in the object. The last one, a compression balance is used to measure the mass or weight of an object. What do you think is the correct answer? Alright, weight. Again, a compression balance is used to measure the weight of an object. And I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!